It's simple time, and this is Chef Tatong, and magluluto naman tayo ng isang simple version ng ating paboritong spaghetti in white sauce. Luto na tayo!
Simpol, luto na, ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya let's start cooking with this pasta. So, nagpapakulo na ako ng tubig. Very important, the ating pasta ay naka-rolling boil. Ibig sabihin ng rolling boil, malakas talaga yung kulo niya. And we have to season our pasta. Ibig sabihin, asin na natin siya. So, hindi lang siya pwedeng konting asin. Medyo marami yung asin kasi we want our water to be salty, no? Para magkalasa yung ating pasta. What we'll do now is I will add my pasta. So, this is around 360 to 400 grams of pasta. So, we're using spaghetti noodles today. And always cook based on package instructions. Kasi iba-ibang brand, iba-iba yung cooking time. Let that boil, bring back to a boil, and let it cook for around 9 minutes. Usually, mga 11-12 minutes yung pasta. So, ako, medyo kulang ng luto ng konti. Kasi, pag dinipat natin dito sa sauce, maluluto pa siya ng another 2 minutes. So, we will saute our garlic first. I have 2 tablespoons of Golden Fiesta canola oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Yan. Para hindi mabilis ma-burn yung aking garlic. No? So, I'm using around a tablespoon of garlic. Yan, saute natin. And I will also saute our chicken. No? So, I have chicken breast here. You can also use canned tuna, by the way. And of course, I will season with salt para magkalasa na yung ating chicken. Yan, salt. A bit generous yung salt ko. And canned mushrooms. So, we're using UFC sliced mushrooms. Yan. Saute natin. Very important that we saute our chicken and our mushrooms. And we use some dried herbs. So, in this case, I'm using dried basil. You can use whatever you want. So, simple lang, di ba? Kumakain tayo ng spaghetti or noodles with cream. Nangyari sometimes, parang hindi mo na malasahan yung cream because ang cream, pag iniinit mo, di ba, nagme-melt, nagiging watery. So, this is the way to thicken your sauce. So, what do? We add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Yan. So, itong flour natin will help thicken our sauce. So, tingnan natin. That's so easy, ah. Nag-thicken na siya, di ba? Hindi mo na makita yung flour. What do we do now? Para magkaroon ng flavor, yung gagawin natin ay magdadagdag tayo ng water or chicken stock. Pero in this case, yung gagawin natin ay water siya. Then nilagyan ko siya ng isang pack ng Wow Sarap All-Purpose Granules. Kasi, this is a very light seasoning, no? Little by little, yan. Dissolve. Look at that, no? Notice mo, nagdagdag ako ng liquid, natutunaw na yung parang paste or tinatawag natin na roux, no? Then again, dissolve. Hindi natin ilalagay diretso yung buong portion ng ating liquid because magiging lumpy siya. Hindi natin mahabol yung pag-dissolve, no? And we add the last bit of our liquid. So imagine, ha, creamy na yung itsura niya. Wala pa siyang cream. If you want, you can use also evaporated milk or fresh milk for this. You may want to add a little bit of salt as well. And what I do, I add 1 cup of all-purpose or cooking cream. So, alam natin, when we cook the pasta here, kakapit talaga yung sauce. So, I will add some cheese. Yan. Around half a cup of cheese. This is just Pinoy cheese. No? If you want, yung gagawin mo, you can use cheddar, real cheddar. Let's cook it until it melts. And look at that, my noodles is already done. And I just pour my pasta into a colander. Look at that, no? Our cream sauce is really very creamy and very rich. And there's already a cheesy flavor. Yan. So, I just pour my noodles. Look at that. Kasi medyo al dente pa yung noodles ko. It still has, you know, the ability to absorb a bit of the sauce. So, nagiging creamy and nagiging flavorful talaga yung ating pasta. And, freshly cracked black pepper. Medyo fancy yung recipe natin, pero actually, very matipid siya. Hindi siya expensive. And we're ready to put it in a serving plate, to a platter. Look at that. Ang dami-dami nating mapakain dito. You can saute more mushrooms to do garnish. So I'm so happy. Look at that. Sobrang sarap. You can serve your family. Good for 5 to 6 people na medyo busog na sila with this very quick recipe. So here it is, our simple version of spaghetti in white sauce, chicken and mushroom Alfredo. Try this at home and tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!